Oh, I'm Rosie, and today I'm not going to be opening or reviewing anything. Well, I'm going to be opening something, but I've got a bucket and I've got blind bags, and I'm going to close my eyes, pick out the blind bag, open it, and yeah. So you just look this way. Today we're going to be opening an Magic Rescue Hospital. So let's just get this open. Sorry. Right. So we've got it open and it comes with a collectible figure. So our collector card is Bailey, and it's a cute horse. Let it focus. Focus. It doesn't want to focus today. Okay. Right. There we go. Bailey and Scott. Bailey is in a jumping show. Is a jumping show horse who has won many medal surprises. So I think, yeah, there's a bigger Bailey. Yeah. So what you do is, as you get a finger on your water, you get water on your finger, and you got a cut here, so you get your finger and wipe it on, and the cut goes basically. This one, do you want to collect, and this is the bucket. Okay, and that's what you got left. Almost beads. It's very cool. So see you next time. Bye.